Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Stocking helping you with your 1.04 voice activity. So the first thing you always want to do is go to your lessons, and then I'm going to go to Module 1, 104, and then I'm going to click on this Asignación tab up here, the one on the right. I know you can't see my cursor, but there's Lección, Estructuras, Práctica, and then we have Asignación on the right. And here's where you see the directions. Cuando haces un viaje, ¿qué ropa pones en la maleta? Necesitas hablar de 5 artículos de ropa importante y sus colores. When you go on a trip, what clothing do you put in the suitcase? You need to talk about 5 articles of important clothing and their colors. Here's the main part. For example, and then they give you an example. Pongo un vestido rojo y una falda negra en la maleta. So that's the exact format you're going to use to answer this question. I recommend writing that down. We can change the items in the middle, but you're going to start with pongo and you're going to end with en la maleta. Again, you're going to start with pongo and you're going to end with en la maleta. Something that I tell you here is to note that the color follows the noun and agrees with clothing in gender, masculine or feminine, and number, singular or plural. What that means here is that vestido is a singular masculine noun. It ends in an O. So rojo is going to just keep this O on the end to be singular and masculine. Falda, una falda, is singular and feminine. It ends in an A. So we had to take that adjective, negro, and change it to negra to agree in gender with una falda. Now, you have the basis for this response, but we're going to flush it out a little bit more with 5 items because, again, there are just 2 here and you need 5. So I want to show you really quickly in the Estructuras tab. This is where you learn the verb poner in the yo form. These are all of your go verbs, meaning they end in go in the yo form. So in case you wanted to know where that verb yo pongo came from, it's the Estructuras tab, which is where you always get your grammar. Now I'm going to go to Lección for my vocab. I'm going to scroll down, and here is all of my la ropa vocabulary, and then here are all of my los colores. I'll do a few with you. For example, if I wanted to put los zapatos in my suitcase, that is a masculine plural noun. It ends in an OS. Perhaps I want to make those let's say white shoes, so I would take blanco and add an S to the end. It would be los zapatos blancos. Or if I wanted them to be green, los zapatos verdes. Or if I wanted them to be blue, I would add an ES to the end because azul ends in a consonant, so to make it plural, I would need an ES, los zapatos azules. Or maybe I want to put a jacket in there in case it gets cool. La chaqueta, and if I want it to be a black jacket, it would be la chaqueta negra because I would change that O to an A to agree with la chaqueta, the A here. I hope that helped you with your 1.04 voice activity. An example might be, yo pongo la chaqueta negra, los zapatos verdes, el traje rojo, la ropa interior azul y las medias amarillas en la maleta. Thank you. I can't wait to see your voice activity.